Hello everyone, I'm Venkata. I'm talking about the project NetPrice Mobile and Cloud. This project is a project we are planning in our company called Rewire. NetPrice Mobile and Cloud is mainly about upgrading a legacy app to mobile compatible and also migrating it to cloud. The main agenda of this team kickoff meeting is overview, which is overview of the project and what we are going to do in the project. The next one is the teams and the roles, and the next one is the project procedure, risk and rewards, project budget, high level scheduling, next steps, and last comes the Q&A session. So the background of this project is we have a legacy application which is called net price calculator, and we have built this 9 years back, and this application looks very old and slow. So our target is to optimize this application and improve the look and feel of the application and also migrating it to the cloud. The reasons for doing it is mainly because of the request from our clients to upgrade the application, and also this application takes a lot of maintenance cost because this is not on cloud. So these are the two reasons why we have taken up this project, and I think this project, the money we spend on this project will be worth it, and this brings profits for our company in future. So this slide is about the teams and the roles. So this is the team which starts with client side and the project team side. The reason why I have taken the client side in our team is this application needs a collaboration from the client, because we are taking some inputs from the clients as well to build this application. So this is the whole team where there are two people from the client side who are helping us with this application, and our project team side we have the product owner, and I am the product manager with my developers, the business team, and the QA team. So this project is conducted in two phases. The first one is the NPC mobile and the second one is the NPC cloud. The first one is about upgrading the application to mobile compatibility. The way we do it is we take a new technology, and the and we up and we change the entire skin of the project to that technology. The current technology we are using on this project is pretty old and it is not optimal. So we are trying to research on the new technologies which can make our application look better and also fast at the same time. um, Even the pages and the transition between one system to another system is really slow in the old app, so we are even trying to solve that issue as well. And the second one is the NPC cloud. This is about migrating our app to the cloud platform. The reason for doing it is cloud platforms are easy to maintain, simple to understand, and less in cost. This makes our application fast and also optimal at the same time. So these are the two phases in which we complete this project. Risks and rewards. First coming to the risks. Obviously this application may have some effect on the old app because of the downtimes for deployments and testing. which may cause some inconvenience in the development phase for the clients. And the second one is the investment on the new technologies. When we are taking up a project, we have to invest on the new softwares, licenses, labor, and all that. So that will definitely be a risk until we get all the profits back, and also all the investments back. So these are the two risks which you are considering in this project, and the rewards. There are so many advantages for taking up this project. That is the reason why although there are some risks, we have actually taken this project. The first one is the app will be definitely fast and more reliable. And the second one is the look and feel of the app will be improved, and it will be more like new looking as it should be. And as we are moving to the cloud platform, the maintenance cost will definitely be reduced by half or maybe more than half. And even the maintenance of the app will be easy, because the current legacy app is very complex and it is hard to understand even for the new people who we hire into the organization. So this app will be more simple and easy to operate. Project budget. The overall project budget of the two phases is $500,000, and this will be allocated into 5 different uh, categories. The first one is the salaries we pay for the people. The second one is the software licenses. As I told before, the new software licenses may cost something. And the third one is the training costs. If there is a new technology, we have to train our staff with the new technology. So those are the costs we invest in the project. And the fourth one is the contracting. Contracting is like, we hire some contractors along with who will help our project team to complete the project. And the last one is the other costs. Other costs is the unknown costs, which will be estimated as like 10% of the project budget. And in the project budget, I think 50% of the budget is allocated to the salaries we give for the labor, and the remaining 50% is for the remaining allocations. Project scheduling. And the phase 1 scheduling is for 6 months, because this is where we really develop the app. We remove all the old user interfaces, and we give the app the new user interfaces. And phase 2 is for 2 months, because this is considerably less than the first phase, because this is only about the app migration, building the migration environments, testing the deployments, and training the staff with the new environments and all that. So this will take approximately 2 months. So the estimated total schedule of our project is 8 months. So thank you for listening to my team kickoff meeting presentation, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.